Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to go live on TikTok without showing your face. So if you don't want to use your face in the TikTok live video, then this video is absolutely for you. I'm gonna tell you the several steps in order to do this step. So you have to just simply open up TikTok application first. So after opening up TikTok application first, now you have to just simply click on the plus icon to upload the video or in which we upload the video or making to go live. So I'm just clicking on plus, and here you will be able to get an idea that there is an unavailable in my country to do live. So for in your country, if you're live available, you have to just simply switch to live mode. So after switching to live mode, you guys have to just simply click on the flip button on the top right to flip this camera. So if you don't want to show your face, you have to just simply flip your camera and you guys can do live. If you don't want to do live like this, and you want to make your face don't recognizable, you have to just simply click on the effects. So after clicking on effects, you guys can also select any of the effect like that. So you have to just simply select any of the effect which hide your face, and you guys can do live with that effect also. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.